Welcome to the course on BioPython. In this session, we will begin by introducing BioPython and guiding you through the installation process. Next, we'll dive into working with biological sequences. We'll learn how to determine the length of a sequence, how to count specific elements, and how to use slicing to extract parts of a sequence. Within slicing, we will also cover how to reverse a sequence, a fundamental skill in bioinformatics. Then, we'll explore how to find subsequences within larger sequences, a key step in many biological analyses. Finally, we'll look into sequence and subsequence manipulation, focusing on concatenation, which allows us to combine sequences efficiently. Let's begin our journey into the world of biological data processing with Python. That concludes our course outline on BioPython. We've highlighted the foundational topics you'll explore, from installation to powerful sequence manipulation techniques. As we move forward, you'll gain practical skills that are essential in computational biology and bioinformatics. Thank you for joining this session. Get ready to code, explore, and unlock the potential of biological data with Python. See you in the next module.